Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Kellofaplan reading planner and the Reading Basics sticker book. These did come out a little bit earlier, but they were out of stock. Now they are back in stock, and I just want to show you how awesome these are so that in case you didn't know about them and you'd like to purchase them. Today I have 3 videos with Kellofaplan flip-throughs. Some of the stuff is coming up on Friday and launching, but I thought I'd show this to you today as well and kind of group them all together in a little Kellofaplan video extravaganza. I don't know. Anyway, let's look at the planner first, I guess. This is a classic size planner. It has clear plastic discs. I love clear discs so much. Very excited about the clear discs. The front says, "A reader lives 1,000 lives before they die." That is true. And then inside we have some books. With Heather's covers, you can always like take them off and flip them and use the other side because they're always so cute. Here's your name page. This is your year. It says 12-month undated reading planner. The first page we have book of the month, and you have January through December. The next page is a yearly overview. So it says favorite book this year, favorite author this year, favorite genre this year. I love that. I love being able to really sit down, look at the books I've read, and really decide what was my favorite book this year. It's very hard for me. I can't always do it, but I think I love that you can though. This says this year's goal. So the number of books you want to read, actual number read. So here's a little section that says genres read this year, color key. Fiction, horror, fantasy, historical fiction, romance, mystery, stuff like that. And then you can put the colors there and then you can fill them out here. I think that's awesome. Okay, reading challenge. Look at this. Takes place in another country, has 2 authors, is a celeb memoir, has a female author, has won an award. This is like a whole bingo sheet or something for reading. I love this. Is part of a series, has a 1-word title, you would normally never read, book that makes you cry, has an ugly cover. That's awesome. So a lot of stuff like that you can fill out. That's really fun. You also have a reading bucket list, which is read an advanced copy, attend a library event, watch a book's movie, check out a library book, spend an entire day reading, attend a book club, all that kind of stuff. So it gives you some really great ideas to, just weave reading into your life. Also, I need to mention that Heather's paper is 93-pound paper, and it's a really thick, and you can use a whole variety of pens on them. I've watched Elise, Plan with Elise, do a pen test, and also I think Heather did one too, and showed you that you can really, you don't see the pens through. There's not like a lot of ghosting or bleeding or anything like that. The next pages are obviously going to be where you write down your books. You can use these sections however you want. The top part is a little bigger for you to label it yourself, and I love that because you can do whatever you need. How I would personally do it is probably date read, title, author, and then rating, but you can really make it your own. Okay, so reading wish list, book title, author, and then a blank space here. So you can put in what you want to read this year. So this is an undated planner, and obviously these are undated here. Just one more chapter. Look at that. I wish I looked that fancy when I read, but I don't. I'm not that fancy when I read. I'm like in a big t-shirt and sweatpants, and I'm like, my room doesn't look that neat, I will say. I don't have like the flowers in the books. No, that's not me, but I like her. There's some books for you. So each month, I think it's going to be the same. This month's reading goals, daily reading tracker, book of the month, favorite book this month, total books read this month's rating key, and then books read this month. Here's your monthly calendar view, and then this part's dot grid. We have that girl without a face down there reading. Her face is behind the book, and then some books at the top. It says this month. And look at this. So we have week of, currently reading, reading weekly goal, weekly habit tracker. And then you've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday through Sunday, finished reading, rating, my thoughts, and then favorite quote. So you're going to get one of those per week. And then here's a monthly reading log, date started, book title, author, date finished. So this is a perfect place to keep track of all of your reading goals, all of the books you read, all of the books you want to read. I love this so much. I personally use Goodreads right now, but honestly, this is really appealing to me and I feel like I want to use it. I don't know if I'm going to. If I don't, I'll probably be doing a giveaway for my patrons. But I really just, there's something that makes me want to use this because I love reading so much and it's just so fun to keep track of that stuff. Anyway, the book is always better. Agreed. So each month is going to be the same. I'm not going to go through it again, but that's what it looks like. Books are my love language. I love the colors here too. There is no such thing as too many books. I have all mine on Kindle though. Reading is dreaming with your eyes open. There's that girl again. Look at that. That's cute. Bookmarks are for quitters. Between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. I love coffee and books. Me too, Heather. Me too. So many books, so little time. Reading takes you on the greatest adventures. Life is better with books. Book Clever. Professional Bookworm. This says book reviews for this tab. This is awesome. So we have a place for all of your book reviews. You have a whole bunch of them and you can take the picture of the cover of the book and shrink it down and put it here if you want, or you can just write in or draw something or write it in or put a sticker in, whatever you need. And it says title, author, genre, recommended by, start date, end date, rating, my review, and then my notes. So you have, like I said, a bunch of those. This says book club. There are no faster or firmer friendships than those formed between people who love the same books. I want to join a book club. How do I join a book club? I don't really even know, but I want to join one. I should start one. Book club schedule, meeting date, book title and author, meeting location. Okay, book club, title, author, genre, start and end date. So these are sections for your book club books. Favorite part and why, favorite character and why, favorite quote and why, what did you not like, your rating and why, other thoughts and questions. You could fill this out and bring it to your book club. I love that. You got a bunch of these. Okay, so that is really, really cool. I've never used, like I said, I've never used a book planner before, like a reading planner, but I feel like I want to. Let's take a look at this because this is the companion that you can purchase separately or, you know, in addition to the planner. The first page is a bunch of quotes. I'd rather be reading, the book is always better, professional bookworm, crazy book lady, bookaholic, books and coffee, reader's gonna read, all that kind of stuff. I love that these are sort of small so that they can fit in like random little places. And then, is that the same? Yeah, so these are gonna be the same quotes, but in colors and the colors of the planner. Reading, monthly goal, reading, weekly goal, challenge, bucket list, tracker, book log. Currently reading, started reading, book review, book club, a bunch of rating stickers at the bottom with the stars. And you have those in color too. Book review, title, author, started reading, finished reading, rating. So you have a bunch of those in all those colors. And then as usual with Heather's you know, sticker books, you're always going to get boxes to match, which is perfect. Here we have some really cute stickers that have illustrations on them, and a lot of that stuff was in the planner. So fun. Wow, look at these little girls on top of all the books. Look how small they look compared to the book piles. And then look how big these books are too. Here's more colors. How cute is this? So even if you don't want to use the reading planner, you could certainly buy the reading sticker book and use these in your regular planner. I love this page. So pretty. Here we have some typewriters and florals and books, some girls reading, glasses, all that kind of stuff. And then look at these. These are so pretty, sort of like vintage, old-fashioned piles of books. I love the blues. And then some more here. These are a different style completely. So I like how in Heather sticker books you get a bunch of different styles to choose from, whether it be whimsical or detailed, you know, illustrations, whatever. These girls are very engrossed in their books. And then we have another section with more books. I mean, this is enough book stickers to last you a very long time, I feel like. You know? So many book stickers, so little time. What can I say? These girls are very cozy with their blankets and their coffees and their books. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad fall's coming. Look at these patchwork pumpkins. They're so cute. More of this. I love that little couch. So cute. Here's some more pastelish boxes. Let's see what this theme is. Oh, how pretty is this? So these are kind of watercolory. And I love the color palette here. It's very soft. So pretty. All right, so that is Reading Basics by Kellofaplan. So honestly, this is such a cute little reading release. And again, these are available right now. The other videos I put out today are going to be available on Friday, but these you can go and purchase right now. And I will put my affiliate link in the description box. Really, really appreciate your support. Thanks for using that link. Let me know in the comments, did you buy this when it first came out, or are you planning to buy it now? I'd like to know what you think. All right, have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.